Really good race. The conditions were excellent. The task was really well set. There were a few difficult areas to pass during the task, but I managed to stay with a couple of other pilots most of the way. And then at the most important part, coming from the west to the east, I was able to get ahead. A few pilots took a different route, but we all met at the second last turn point. And then from there, I was controlling the situation. There was 4 or 5 pilots, but all below me, so I was just following and trying to stay above them. And in the end, I had enough altitude to fly from the castle all the way to the goal without turning anymore.